Nice meeting you all. How are you? Today I am there with some new story. So keep watching my video and at the end I will come back and ask you something. So be ready. This is a classroom with teacher teaching and the students are listening and answering a question. And here in the classroom, all the students are enjoying their day in the school with lot of fun and activities. Here, teacher is teaching about the shapes and all are enjoying together. Wow, so big crowd with all the kids of the school are having some activities in the ground. Wow, great. This is Tina and she's shouting for something, crying for something. Let's see what's going on. Mom, Mom, come here. Oh no, it was my dream. I was dreaming that I'm in the school and my teacher and my friends are there with me. I'm really missing my school. Mom, what happened, beta? Why are you crying? Mom, do you know what happened with me now? What happened, beta? I thought I'm in the school with my teacher and my friends. I really miss my teacher and my friends, Mom. Okay, don't worry. I have an idea. I'll give my phone. You can chat with your friend Ruby. Okay? Oh, so nice of you, Mom. I love you so much. I love you, beta. Then Tina chats with Ruby. Hi, Ruby. How are you? Hi, Tina. How are you? I'm fine, Ruby. So, what's up? What's going on, Tina? I'm so bored, yaar. Why? I'm missing all of you. Me too, Tina. I also miss you all. Okay, Tina, I have to go. Why? Why so soon? Because my online class is going to start now and I have to be there. Otherwise, my mom will scold me. Oh my god, me too. I also have to attend my online class. Bye bye bye. See you. Bye. And Tina attends her online class, but she is not happy. She is sad because she is sitting alone and learning. She is missing all the golden days, how much she was having fun with her friends. And then she goes and asks her mom, Mom, why we not supposed to go to school? Why, Mama? Mama says, I will explain you, beta, don't worry. See, you love your teacher teaching and you sit with your friends together and you all enjoy her teaching and you learn so many things. But now see the situation. You have to maintain distance. You can't sit close to your friends. You have to wear mask all day. You all are so small that you can't wear mask for the whole day, isn't it? And there are so many small kids in the class. Think about themselves also. Think about your teachers. Yes, Mama, I agree with you. It's very difficult. And see, nowadays all are working from home. Yes or no? See, your aunt, uncle, neighbors, mummy, papa, everybody is working from home. Yes or no? Yes, Mama, I do agree with you. But Tina, see, in this bad time also something good is happening. Good? What good, Mama, in this? See, there are many families in which both mom and papa goes for work and then they get very little time to spend with their kids. But now work from home, all are at home. They spend quality times with the children. Yes or no, with the parents. They do many activities, they have fun. Yes, yes, Mama, I agree with you. I love you, Mama. You're so nice. You explain me so well. I will keep all this in my mind and I will not go out and I will wait for the good time. Hi, I'm Pina. Again, I'm back. See what is written there. Stay home, stay safe. Wear your mask properly. Thanks for the essential workers. Thank you for your service. But now my friend Tina is here with me and she wants to tell you something. So please listen to her carefully. Hi Tina. Hi Meena. How are you? I'm fine. Now friends, my mom has told me something and I am here to tell you all that points. So please keep these points in your mind and follow that, okay? Always be positive. Keep yourself and your mind flexible to accept any situation. Be emotionally strong. Keep your mind and body healthy by doing physical exercise. And my mom always says that it is always said that bad time will go and good time will come soon. And hope so. Bye. And if you like this video, please press the like button, subscribe my channel. Okay, bye friends, bye, see you all.